Welcome to STEMisphere. In this brief video, I'll show you how you can create an action plan in the Carnegie STEM Excellence Pathway. Let's begin by navigating to STEMisphere through mystempathway.org. You will need to log back into your Pathway account. You can do this by clicking Pathway Partners and signing into your account. Once you are signed into your Pathway account, you will arrive on the Welcome page. This page stores all of your Pathway work. Let's create a new action plan. An action plan is always tied to a self-evaluation. An action plan cannot be created if a self-evaluation was not first created. So we'll navigate to the self-evaluation that was created. We can view it, we can modify the priority areas, or we can create a new action plan. Here are the directions for creating an action plan. We'll review these in the next step, but it's good to have a printed copy too. You may download the directions by clicking here. Now that you are in the Action Plan Builder, it's time to create goals to reach your priority areas of the action plan. Here are the 3 priority areas chosen from the self-evaluation that will be the focus of the action plan. Begin by giving your action plan an appropriate title. Next, your team will decide what will be the target status of your goal. It will list your current level, and it will ask you to choose a target level. You may not choose any level that is lower than your current status. After choosing the target status, it's time for your team to brainstorm what might be some obstacles and challenges that your team might face while reaching for this goal. What resources might your team need to reach this goal? In this area, you will type in your SMART goal. This may take you a considerable amount of time to create based on your team's discussion. In this section, you can enter an action step. What step might be needed to accomplish this goal? Who are the team members that might be needed to achieve this step? And what date would it be ideal that this step was completed? Later, you can return to your action plan and enter a progress note here. Every action plan goal needs to have a follow-up date. We recommend setting the follow-up date as the last day of the current school year, or close to it. Click Next to repeat this process for all 3 of your goals. You may return to this process and continue your discussion later, but you will need to choose a follow-up date each time. This is the way that STEMisphere stores the information. When you have finished, select Save Action Plan. Your information is saved on STEMisphere, and you can return to STEMisphere to download the self-evaluation, the action plan, the implementation plan, or to add progress notes. Congratulations and good luck in improving your STEM education.